Assemble. Assemble. To bring things or people together to make something or to gather in one place. We assembled in the theatre to hear the speech. We assembled in the theatre to hear the speech. Futile. Futile. Useless, pointless, or not producing any results. It is futile to work here. It is futile to work here. Chubby. Chubby. Slightly fat in a cute or healthy way. You look too chubby in this dress. You look too chubby in this dress. In size. In size. To cut into something, usually with a sharp tool. The doctor carefully incised my skin to start the operation. The doctor carefully incised my skin to start the operation. Offend. Offend. To hurt someone's feelings, make them upset, or insult them. I didn't mean to offend you. I didn't mean to offend you. Oath. Oath. A serious promise to do something or tell the truth. She will take an oath to her father. She will take an oath to her father. Provoke. Provoke. To make someone angry or upset on purpose. He always provokes me. He always provokes me. Queue. Queue. To wait in a line of people, often to buy something. There was a long queue at the checkout. There was a long queue at the checkout. Sack. Sack. As a noun, a large bag. I bought a sack of flour today. I bought a sack of flour today. Arms. Arms. To money, food, or other things given to poor people as charity. The beggar prayed for me to get the alms. The beggar prayed for me to get the alms. Wrath. Wrath. Strong anger or extreme rage. My father was really wroth when he heard the news. My father was really wroth when he heard the news. Dispatch. Dispatch. To send something or someone quickly to a place for a purpose. I dispatched your order 10 minutes ago. I dispatched your order 10 minutes ago. Cemetery. Cemetery. A cemetery is a place where dead people are buried. It is also called a graveyard. After visiting the cemetery, we went home. After visiting the cemetery, we went home. Rubbish. Rubbish. Trash or waste. Something useless or of poor quality. Nonsense or foolish talk. There was a lot of rubbish in the bin. There was a lot of rubbish in the bin. This water bucket's plastic is rubbish. This water bucket's plastic is rubbish. You are talking rubbish. I don't like it. You are talking rubbish. I don't like it. Pounce. Pounce. To jump or spring suddenly, typically to catch or attack something. The cat tensed and pounced on the mouse. The cat tensed and pounced on the mouse. Deaf. Deaf. Unable to hear or having difficulty hearing. He is deaf, so I talk him loudly. He is deaf, so I talk him loudly.